Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best 5 social media platforms which you can actually use to promote your CPA marketing offers and get thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers, which could in turn enable you earn some passive income even as a beginner right here in the year 2023 and beyond. So make sure you do stick on and actually make use of the strategies which I'm going to show you right here in today's video and utilize these 5 best social media platforms to use and promote your CPA marketing offers. So without further ado, let's just simply jump right into today's video. So guys, you could use any platform of your choice right here to get CPA marketing offers. I prefer using the CPA grip, and if I do click on register, I could just simply create my account by filling out this form, and once I fill out this form, agree to the terms of services, click on register. My account should be created where I can actually log into my account, go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers right here, and guys, you could filter your offers to any demographic of your choice, and I'm just going to select offers to the United States demographic. And right here guys, you could see a lot of offers available to this demographic right now, which you can actually start promoting. And guys, there's a specific reason which I did select the United States offers, and as we go through into today's video, you'll find out why it is much more preferable to promote your CPA marketing offers from the United States demographic. So guys, let's just simply jump right back into today's video and actually go onto the first social media platforms which you can actually use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And the first platform right here is none other than the Facebook right here. So if you do head onto Facebook, you could actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers on such platforms just by creating a normal and regular post. Or you could actually come right here, click on see all groups, and right now guys, you could just simply search for groups that are actually related to that CPA marketing offer which you are promoting. Supposing I'm promoting a CPA marketing offer that is related to giveaway, I'm just going to come right here and actually type in giveaway right now. So if I do type in giveaway right here guys, I'll be able to go onto the group section, and I can actually see a lot of groups that are actually related to this particular keyword giveaway. You can see right here, this group actually has 35,000 members. This group right here has 18,000 members right here. This group has 14,000. This one has 105,000. This one has about 38,000 or 3,800 right here. So all these groups are actually having a lot of members in such groups. So you can actually utilize such groups right here and promote your CPA marketing offers right here, because the CPA marketing offers are actually related to that particular giveaway. Just simply head onto such platforms and promote your CPA marketing offer. And guys, in my channel right here, I've created some videos earlier on how you could promote your CPA marketing offers on Facebook. So you just want to watch those videos right there and actually use that. And guys, once you do analyze the Facebook platform right here on the similar web, you will find out that Facebook actually did get about 16.8 billion visits in the last 28 days, which is actually a very huge traffic right here, which you could take advantage of. As you can see right here, is the #1 ranking social media platform right here in the category in the United States. And guys, you could actually see that it actually gets a lot of traffic. If you do scroll through, you can see right here the amount of traffic it got in the past 3 months. And if I do come right here guys, you could see the top countries that do visit this website, and you will find out that the United States do constitute of 22.82% of this website's traffic. And you can see right here why I told you that you should actually go on to promoting a United States offer. And guys, the United States offer right here will actually enable you get better chances of conversion to such CPA marketing offers while promoting it on this social media platform called Facebook. So moving on to the second platform right here is called Twitter right here. So if you do head on to Twitter, and you can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers on this platform just by clicking on explore right now. And maybe I want to promote offers that are actually available to give away right there or gift card. I'm just going to come right here, search for I need money, and I'm just going to come right here to the latest section right here, where you'll be able to see latest people that actually posted about needing money. You can see right now guys, this person says, I'm out of all the good stuff and need groceries, but I can't order till my money processes from eBay. And guys, you could just simply go on to telling this person that you have a solution. You should just simply Apply for this a free gift card giveaway right here, which they do actually stand a chance of winning. And guys, you just simply have to complete a simple survey, and you just simply send them the link right there telling them that. And once they actually do that, guys, they will be interested in completing that particular offer because they are actually in need of money, and they stand a chance of winning that gift card giveaway. And you also do stand a chance or get some cool affiliate commission from such offers. You could see this person right here says, I don't need your money, but just teach me how you want. You can actually go on to scrolling through, and you can actually see a lot of people that are actually in need of money right now. So you could just simply go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers using this strategy on Twitter. And if you also analyze Twitter on the similar web, you will find out that Twitter actually did get about 6.5 billion visits in the last 28 days. And right here, guys, you'll be able to see the amount of visits it got in the past 3 months right here. And you could also see the top country that visits this site, and it's also the United States. And guys, the United States consists of 1/4 of this website's traffic, which is another reason why you should make sure you're always promoting the United States offers, because it gives you better chance of getting conversions to your CPA marketing offer that is actually qualified leads right there. So moving on to the third platform, this is none other than Instagram.com right here. Instagram is also a cool place where you can actually drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers, and you want to just simply use this exact same strategy which this person actually did use right here. So he's promoting a particular link in the bio of his account right now, and you could see right here that the link is a self-development and business tip which is helping you to grow in life, and you could earn about $100,000 a month on YouTube. And it's also a free training. You just want to make sure you do create an account and do a similar strategy such as this. Make sure you do having a cool name, a cool bio that is actually related to that particular niche, or a cool profile picture that is related to that particular niche you are focusing on. And make sure you do go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer in the bio of your account. And once you do that, guys, you want to try as much as possible to make sure you do grow that account, because the more you grow that account, the more you'll be able to drive more traffic to that CPA marketing offer. And there are actually 3 strategies which you can actually use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer or grow your account right here on Instagram. And the first strategy right there is to make sure you actually do posting consistently and regularly. You may want to just simply go to posting about 3 to 4 times each and every single day, and that's actually going to help you drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer, because the more you grow, the more people will be able to see that link in your CPA in your bio of your account, and you can then promote your CPA marketing offer doing that. So guys, the second strategy which you could use to grow your account on Instagram is to actually do the follow for follow. Once you follow a lot of people in that particular niche, a lot of them will intend to actually go on to following you back, and that is also going to help you grow on Instagram. You could also make sure you go on to doing the engagement strategy, which is actually do involve you to go to people that have actually made it in that particular niche you are focusing on, and actually do go on to engaging in their particular post right there. Make sure you do go on to commenting, make sure you do go on to liking, and make sure you actually do go on to reposting from time to time right there. And such engagements can also help you grow on your Instagram page. And guys, you could analyze the Instagram platform right here also, and you can see the amount of traffic which Instagram got in the past 28 days, which is 6.5 billion visits. And you can actually see the top website that visits this traffic. And guys, I'd like you to guess which particular country actually visits this website the most. That's it, right, guys. You got it right. It's the United States. You can see the United States actually did possess about 19.12% of this website's traffic right now. And guys, you just want to make sure you're promoting a United States offer right there in the bio of your account. Moving on to the fourth platform. The fourth platform right here is called the TikTok.com. And the TikTok, guys, is any strategy which you can actually use to make money or to promote your CPA marketing offer on Instagram. You can actually do apply that strategy on TikTok. So you could see right here that this exactly same strategy you could apply on TikTok to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer. Make sure you do go on to putting the link in the bio of your account to your CPA marketing offer, and try as much as possible to grow your account and drive traffic to that. So the fifth platform right here, but before we do go on to the fifth platform, if you analyze the TikTok, you can see the amount of traffic you did get in the last 28 days, which is about 2.1 billion visits. And the particular country that does visit this website the most is the United States also. So the fifth platform right here, guys, is called the Pinterest.com right here. I do like this particular platform because it is a cool and amazing platform which you can drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, so the strategy which you can actually use right here on Pinterest is to actually make sure you do actually make use of cool and amazing and eye-catchy images or videos right there that can actually attract a lot of people to click in your image. And if you actually see this particular image right here, if I do click on this, you can see right here that this person is actually promoting a link right here in the Pinterest, in this Pinterest image. And if you do click on this link, it's going to take you to where you can actually go on to purchasing this particular product. So basically guys, you want to just simply use exactly the same strategy. Go on to creating a cool and amazing pin which you can use to promote your CPA marketing offer. Link that pin to your CPA marketing offer and do that right now. And guys, if you analyze the Pinterest platform, you can see that it got about 1 billion visits right here in the past 28 days. You can see the amount of visits it got in the past 3 months right here, and you can see the top country that do visit this website, also the United States. So guys, these are the 5 amazing free social media platforms where you can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers for free. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching guys. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.